Hey guys, it's Chris with Mechanical Owl Channel. Just wanted to show you a 10 by 12 greenhouse that I am starting. I've actually wanted one of these for a long time, and it was kind of my Christmas present to myself. So I figured, hey, I've waited a long time to get one, and I figure, hey, what better time to get one than when I can get one for $1,000 off when they were trying to do a sale this December, which I thought was pretty cool. So this greenhouse actually has an infrared heater in it, as well as a exhaust fan. So I have not yet got power here yet. So I've got an electrician coming out to wire some plugs, receptacles in here. But I think it's going to be really good, and it's going to, allow me to grow stuff hopefully year round. We've been getting down in teens and 20s at night, which I've been watching the temp gauge over here, and it's been getting down in those temperatures as well. So I mean, it is a nice greenhouse. It's sturdy built, but again, it's not insulated. So I'm hoping that the infrared heater does some, good heat at night, and not, totally price me out at the when I get the bill at the end of the month. But it does, on a cold day, which is kind of cool because it's been in the 30s and 40s sometimes during the days. This thing with the sun out, I mean, this thing is like 75 degrees inside, which is really nice. So I mean, it does maintain nice heat during the day. If it's sunny, it's a little overcast and cloudy today, but it is really nice, and I'm looking forward to putting a lot of stuff in here, outfitting it a little bit better. So it did come with a mist system. It also came with like a little spigot with a hose on it, as well as a little Y diverter to the mist system, which I thought was pretty cool. So again, and I did, this one was about $3,500, but I think it's I was debating, do I build one, do I get one? I did build the base, so kind of going around my property trying to figure out what the best lighting scenario was. This, I thought, hey, this, from the moment that the sun comes up to the end of the day, this is really the best spot for it. So I've got on one side of the greenhouse, I've got a bunch of empty trays right now. These are some of the trays that I was doing some microgreens on, and right now I'm just kind of laying them out. Everything is pretty barren in here right now. I've had a lot of stuff that didn't make it in the previous years. All my good house plants are inside right now, so they're all good and inside. I've got some misting systems on those as well, going automatically. But this, again, I've always wanted a greenhouse. 10 by 12, I think, is going to do me great. I don't think I'll grow out of it anytime soon. I'm not doing anything crazy. I've got some bonsais that I want to bring out here in the spring and summer, and just see what I can really grow. And again, with the infrared heating system in here, we'll see how that goes once I get power here. And we'll take you on the next adventure with the greenhouse, and we'll see how it goes. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you soon.